We are looking for a better government, and we'll continue to fight till the end. Because we are Amati, Amati, Amati. We will fight, fight till eternity. We are Amati, Amati, Amati. Because we are Amati, Amati, Amati.
तुमच्या हातान आसा तो वोट. हो वोट तुमचं बर्थ रायट. तुमच्यान तो विकूंक जायना आणि तुम्ही तो विकचो न्हय. त्या वोटाक तुमचे कितले महत्व आहा ते ह्या इलेक्शनाक 2017 इलेक्शनाक तुम्ही तुमचे मौन यूज करून तुमची सगळी शकताय यूज करून रिजन करून हाचे फाटल्यान तुम्ही वोट करतले.
Fight with transparent way, not these ways. And Aam Aadmi Party, you know why the people like me and people like Ursula and people like Bruno and people like Yogesh and all of you are here? Just for the simple reason. Otherwise we would have been busy in our own careers. I was a journalist for good 23 years. I was an editor for 8 years of a news channel, national news channel. I didn't need to come here to Goa. I didn't need to resign from my post. I was getting a dream salary. But for the last 2.5 years, I'm unemployed. You know why? Because we all have gathered together. We all have decided to throw such MLAs and such politics to the dustbin of history.